Hello everyone, I am Anmol Gautam and I am here to present a PPT on WiMAX. Here we will be learning what is WiMAX, the differences between WiMAX and Wi-Fi, and a lot of other things about WiMAX. So we would start. So about WiMAX, that what is WiMAX? WiMAX is worldwide interoperability for microwave access. It is a family of wireless broadband communication standards based on the IEEE 802.16 set of standards which provide multiple physical layer PHY and media access control MAC options. The name WiMAX was created by the WiMAX Forum, which was formed in June 2001 to promote conformity and interoperability of the standard, including the definition of predefined system profiles for commercial vendors. The forum describes WiMAX as a standards based technology enabling the delivery of last mile wireless broadband access as an alternative to cable and DSL. IEEE 802.16M or wireless MAN Advanced was a candidate for the 4G. In competition with the LTE Advanced standard, WiMAX was initially designed to provide 30 to 40 megabyte per second data rate, with the 2011 update providing up to 1 gigabytes for fixed station. The latest version of WiMAX, WiMAX Release 2.1, popularly branded as known as WiMAX 2 Plus, is a backwards compatible transition for various WiMAX generation. It is compatible and interoperable with TD-LTE. Now, what is the terminology of WiMAX? WiMAX refers to interoperable and implementation of the IEEE 802.16 family of wireless network standards ratified by the WiMAX Forum. Similarly to Wi-Fi, refers to the interoperable implementation of IEEE 802.11 wireless LAN standard certified by the Wi-Fi Alliance. WiMAX Forum certification allows vendors to sell fixed mobile product as WiMAX certified, thus ensuring a level of interoperability with other products as long as they fit the same profile. The original IEEE 802.16 standard, now called Fixed WiMAX, was published in 2001. WiMAX adopted some of its technology from Vibro, a service marketed in Korea. Now we will see uses of WiMAX. It provides portable mobile broadband connectivity across cities and countries to various devices. Second, providing a wireless alternative cable and digital subscriber line DSL for last mile broadband access. Providing data telecommunications VoIP and IPTV services triple play. Providing internet connectivity as part of a business continuity plan, smart grids and metering. Now we will see the differences between WiMAX and Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi is defined under IEEE 802.11 standard, where X stands for various Wi-Fi version. WiMAX is defined under 802.16 standards, where Y stands for various WiMAX versions. Wi-Fi is for LAN, local area network application. WiMAX is for MAN, metropolitan area network application. Wi-Fi does not guarantee any quality of services QoS. WiMAX guarantee quality of service QoS. Wi-Fi network range is around 100 meter. WiMAX network can reach about 50 to 90 kilometers. Wi-Fi MAC layer uses CSMA and CSA protocol, which is not connection oriented. WiMAX is connection oriented in nature. Wi-Fi is short range technology, whereas WiMAX is long range technology. Wi-Fi connection can transmit up to 54 Mbps. Wi-Fi WiMAX connection can transmit up to 70 Mbps. Working of WiMAX. That's how WiMAX works. First is internet backbone, then an ISP network, then WiMAX 802.16 transmitter, then line of sight backhaul, then non-lines of sight transmission, then home local area network. Like this, the WiMAX works. Now we will see the conclusion of this PPT. First, speed, broad coverage, mobility, portability are the major concerns for a wireless network. Second, WiMAX has all these properties, hence it has the potential to substitute 3G and become promising 4G. Thank you. Thank you for viewing my PPT, and I thank you for giving your time for viewing my PPT. Have a nice day ahead.